guys, it's Jana on Ascend Gravity. Today I'm going to be baking my selfie. I saw on Instagram that all you have to do is bake a cookie of your face and you can be a part of the next Nailed It show possibly. So I thought, why not? But it probably is going to be a lot harder than I thought. We'll see. Here we go. Okay guys, so here it is. I already baked the cookie. I didn't think you would want to watch me bake a cookie, so that's it. That right there. It's gonna look good when it's done. I'm confident. I'm gonna start with this lovely skin color here. Doesn't it look exactly like my skin? I don't know if that's in focus, but yes. So we're gonna glob on this paint. Skin. Where my skin color goes. Guys, okay. So when I was watching the show Nailed It, I personally was like, for a lot of them, I was like, oh, you know, I could do it, you know. They just didn't have enough time. And one, they didn't. They had like, what, 45 minutes to do something like this, except for their cookie wasn't giant and terrifying. I didn't think it could be possibly this difficult to like paint yourself. I don't know. It's really hard, especially with this kind of icing. It's kind of like, it's like really liquidy, if you can't tell. Plus again, this skin color is terrifying and just not even skin color. It's really scary and just not easy to work with. So props to them for doing this like whole baking process in like 45 minutes, because I definitely baked this last night, not gonna lie to you. So yeah, there's my skin color, which honestly looks more purple the more I look at it, but that's okay. I can be purple. Purple's cool. I'm going to put the hair on, like so. Yes, glop it everywhere, because that's how you do it. Just kind of glopping it everywhere. Yup, there's a dot of yellow on my face. Okay. You know, I give the people on the show like props for being so positive throughout the whole experience. Like, they're like, everything's going wrong, but it's fine. But I guess that's kind of the point, because it's called Nailed It, and nobody really nails it. It's gonna be, what's his name? A Picasso piece, like abstract. Yes, looking good. Looks just like me. Okay guys, so I wanted to surprise you with the finished product. I'm kind of scared to show you, but here it is.
It'll look good when it's done. I'm confident.
So we have a special guest for today's video. Ooh.
Yay!
It's Sean!
Special guest, owner of the channel. Yay! So, what do you got for me today?
You'll see.
Oh God. So, I hear you're doing this for a challenge or something?
Yep.
And it's supposed to be you?
Yep.
Okay.
He hasn't seen it yet. Alright.
She's a wonderful cook, a wonderful baker, from what I've known.
It's me.
Oh. It's really, really good. I love it. I can't wait to eat your face.
He's gonna taste test it for you guys.
Where do I,
You can get the middle piece if you want.
I married a monster.
Man.
What happened to her lipstick? This just fell off.
So in my photo I was making like a little smirk, and that's me.
I ripped your hair off. You're bald. You're bald now. Oh, it's dripping.
It's the frosting.
That's awesome. I'm gonna bite your eye off.
Hey, it doesn't look so hard.
chewy. Chewy. It's good. Only thing I don't like about it is A, it terrifies me, and B, it tastes very crumbly. It crumbles. It's a crumbly cookie. It's the perfect cookie. It's 10 out of 10. My wife made it with love, right?
Right.
10 out of 10. That's good. I like it. It is good.
Nailed it.
Nailed it. Do you all want to see what nightmares are made of?
Oh, alright guys, that wraps it up for this video. If you like it, hit that subscribe button down below and give this guy some likes because he deserves it. Bye!
See you guys. Thanks for watching.
You feed me, and I'll take care of those guys for you.
But